Here we are back at Namaste, and I tried to come here a couple of times over the last 3 or 4 days, but they've been closed over the long weekend holiday. So this is my first time back for quite a while. So my chai has arrived. Nice and hot. That's what I love. I can barely even touch the cup. It's so hot. Nice. That chai masala, chai masala spicing. You know, that flavoring. Oh man. Especially when it's this hot, I prefer it even over my regular cappuccino. It's nice for a change. And since today is all about cameras, I have 2 cameras set up. I've got the GoPro over here, I guess kind of capturing a wide shot. And then I have the Panasonic LX10 right in front of me. I don't think this is the ideal setup, but it's what I ended up with for now. One thing I'm learning very quickly, though, an advantage to the GoPro, which a lot of people may not think about, is that I think you look a lot better in a GoPro because it's further away from you and you just kind of look younger with smoother skin. And then you get a camera like the LX10, especially if you zoom in, you start to see every imperfection brought on by age and sweating, and my neck gets all hot and red from the heat here. It's a really hot day, so when you have a high quality lens at work with a 20 megapixel sensor, the imperfections are on full display. Nothing gets smoothed over, nothing gets hidden. And there's the cake I'm having. I think they called it like maybe a chiffon kind of cake. But they have a bakery here, so they make their own cake as well. And the cookies that I showed over here, that are on display, they make those here as well. They do all their own baking. Oh, excellent. Thank you.
Still a few days, it's very hot.
Yeah, it's a hot day.
Very hot.
Yeah, it's okay. It's good chai.
Okay.
But people on YouTube are talking a lot about chai or chai masala.
Yes.
Or what do you call it?
Masala chai.
Masala chai.
Yes.
Okay.
But not too much masala because I mix little masala. Because Thai people most don't like.
Okay. My mango shake has arrived as well. Look at that. That's definitely suitable for a hot day like today. There's not many places that I go to regularly can make up a mango shake like this. I thought I could get one at Braverly. I went there the other day, yesterday I think, intending to order a mango shake just like this one. But I forgot they don't actually have this on their menu, so I was disappointed. I was just chatting with one of the owners here. As I said, there's 2 brothers run this place, Namaste Cafe. And I asked him about the name of this tea because I call it chai. And then people in the comments to my last video, of course, were saying, well, it's actually chai masala, which is, the real name for it. But it turns out he told me you reverse it. So it's actually masala chai. But here, the market for a Mae Sot, he kind of reduces the amount of masala. A traditional masala chai from India, he said, would be much stronger, a much more richer, spicy flavor. And this one is a bit mild, to cater to local tastes. Tastes great to me. You even get the spicy aroma too, not just the flavor. Time to try this mango shake. Oh, I better have some quickly. It's starting to overflow. Oh, it's so nice. It's like thick, which I really love. You have to work hard to get some of this mango goodness coming up through that straw. I love that. Anyway, it's time to have my cake. It's very light cake. And there's the name of the cake there. None of it is in English, so you'll have to translate that yourself. Cake. That's nice. Yeah, it is a chiffon. It makes me think of, it's a lemon cake, I think, a very light lemon chiffon, even though it has a orange-pink coloring. I think I want to say it has a lemon sort of a flavor to it. And I thought I would break out my LX10 while I'm sitting here. I changed it to a 1080p resolution just to get a slightly wider field of view. At 4K it is so tight when I'm holding it like this. But just for fun, I thought I'd wander around the cafe a little bit and take some of that classic B-roll with this lovely Leica lens. See how that turns out. I'm just leaving from Namaste Cafe. That's it there with the colorful awning. And there's its location right on the corner next to the Crua Canadian restaurant.